Give it a shot, unlocking the power of trying. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very popular and useful English phrase, give it a shot. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you confidently use it in your daily conversations. Give it a shot is a phrase that means to try doing something, usually for the first time or in an attempt to see if something works. It suggests a willingness to attempt something new or challenging, even if you're not sure about the outcome. This phrase embodies an optimistic attitude towards tackling tasks and is often used to encourage others, or oneself, to take a chance or make an effort. While the exact origins of "give it a shot" are a bit murky, it's believed to come from the world of sports or gambling, where giving a shot implies taking an aim or chance at something. Over time, it has evolved into a colloquial expression widely used in everyday English to encourage trying something, regardless of the field or context. Using "give it a shot" is quite simple. It can be used in various scenarios, from casual conversations to more formal discussions, and fits well in both spoken and written English. Here are a few examples. Encouraging someone: if you've never tried sushi, you should give it a shot. It's delicious. Talking about new experiences: I've never gone skydiving before, but I'm willing to give it a shot. In a work context: we've never used this software before, but let's give it a shot and see how it improves our workflow. English is rich with expressions similar to "give it a shot." Some of these include "give it a try," "take a stab at it," "have a go," "try your hand at it." These phrases can be used interchangeably, depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. Give it a shot is more than just a phrase. It's an encouragement to step out of your comfort zone, try new things, and embrace the possibilities that come with it. We hope this video helps you understand how and when to use "give it a shot" in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is about practice, so don't hesitate to give it a shot and use English in your daily life. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.